time the light of the full moon falls on a snow-clad peak, it's a rare piece of artistry of nature. It's time for my regular morning stroll. I guess I have found something. It's not a good one. I'll take a different route now. Hey, little guy. The morning here always gives me good vibration.
The first time when a caterpillar came into my porch, I was very much into driftwood carving and designing. This little Pluto-Sphinx caterpillar, with its very own distinctive marking, seems to have landed in my garden, carrying the mysteries of the cosmos along with it. This is the second time. Is it signifying anything? Sometimes the smallest encounters can evoke the greatest sense of awe and connection to our life. I think it is trying to convey me something. I assume it's trying to tell me that I need to get back to my routine of art and craft, which is my passion. This transformation of a caterpillar into a beautiful butterfly or moth is an amazing process. It is very relevant to our lives also, as it tells us to get out of our slumber and fly into the path of progress by following our passion. It's the perfect time to start off once again.